Yes, now let's study IC ending verbs in English. Remember, they are not adjectives here. We are speaking or talking about verbs. What is the mnemonic to remember such words? F, M, P, P, T. I have invented a mnemonic to remember IC ending verbs. For example, F is frolic. M is mimic. F, M. P is panic. Next, picnic. PP. The T is traffic. These are the 5 verbs which end in IC. They are verbs. Yes?
Pandemic.
Yes, but pandemic is an adjective. We are talking about verbs. Now, coming to the point, what's special about these verbs? When we add S, it remains the same. When we add ing, it takes K. For example, panic, frolic, frolics, frolicking. Here the spelling changes. I mean, it takes a K, the letter K, or frolicked, KED. Panic. Here, mimic, mimics, mimicking, mimicked. Likewise, panic, panics, panicking, panicked. Here we add K here. Likewise, picnic, picnics, picnicking, picnicked. The 5th one, traffic, traffics, trafficking, trafficked. Now coming to the point, there is another suffix we can add, ER. For example, frolicker. I will write down. Now the first one is frolic, frolicking, frolicked, frolicker. Yes. Second one, mimic, mimicking, mimicked, mimicker. Don't forget to add the letter K before adding ing, but it remains the same when we add yes. We should not add K. For example, he frolics. There is no K, but he is frolicking, he frolicked, he is a frolicker. Likewise, mimic, mimics remains the same. Don't add K here before adding yes. But mimicking, he is mimicking the teachers. Frolic means to play or move around. Note down the meaning. To play or move around in a happy way. Frolic. To play or move around in a happy way. Mimic is to imitate or copy. The third one, panic. To be frightened. Panicking. But yes does not take K. Panicked. There is no panicker. Here we don't use the word panic because the meaning is to be afraid of. Suddenly we feel frightened. That is called panic. Next is picnic. Picnic. Don't add K before adding S. But picnicking. C-K-I-N-G. Picnicked. Picnickers. The fifth one is traffic. Traffics, trafficking, trafficked, trafficker. Now, I'll give you the meanings. Frolic is to play or move around in a happy way. Mimic is to imitate or copy. Panic is to be frightened suddenly. Yes, picnic is to go for an outing for a short time, packing some meal. The last one is traffic. What do you mean by traffic? To buy or sell goods or human beings. He has been trafficking children. Yes. Who are they? They are trafficked children. So, traffic has another meaning, that is to buy or sell goods or human beings. So, any doubt about this? So don't forget to add CK. You have to add K there, but don't add K before adding yes. That's all.